Welcome to Celeste Caitlin Art. I'm Celeste, and today I wanted to reorganize my art space. So I just have a really small art space in the corner of my husband and my bedroom, since our bedroom is fairly large, and I like it, but I want to reorganize it. I just feel like it could be set up better. So I'm gonna try to rearrange a few things and see if it works, see if it can be set up a little bit nicer. And yeah, I'm just gonna get right into it. Here we go. So I've got all my pencil crayons. I'm currently working on this cute little donut. And then I have a couple of my other works. I want to hang some stuff too. So I was gonna hang some of my art up here. I picked up a bunch of picture frames at the dollar store when we went. Down there. All these. So I wanted to fill them up with a few of my works. But yeah, all this needs to be organized. I've got a bunch of paintings, sketchbooks, and other notebooks and stuff, and then whatever else. I don't have much. Maybe I should just start moving stuff and see how it looks.
Okay, so I just started moving stuff around. I think the most important thing for me was just to start. Just staring at it wasn't helping me get an idea of what it could look like or how it could look better. And all I knew at this point is that I really didn't want my easel in the corner. It made it super hard to work, and drawing at my desk later in the nights made it harder to stay awake because I was constantly looking down. I had my little guy helping me move a few things around. And once I moved my easel over, I ended up moving my side table back beside my bed. I wanted to make sure I had lots of space to move around it and not feel confined by anything.
I'm taking this side table. And this is gonna go perfect. All this around. Take it off the wall, reorganize. I'm gonna put my artwork in picture frames that I got and just set it up for awesomeness. Here we go.
So then I started to clear off my desk. To give myself a fresh slate to work with, I flipped over the poster board because the other side was really dirty and had paint and stuff on it. I like having these to draw on instead of the desk because the desk has a little bit of texture to it and I wanted it to be smoother. And then I just taped it down to secure them. After I put all my paintings on the side there, and then it was time to move this big dresser. I needed to give myself a bit more space on this side, and then I gave it a quick vacuum, and I was actually really happy with how the nook turned out. I used to always have a little corner on the floor for getting ready in the morning, so it gave me some happy vibes having that again. Then I gave it a good vacuum underneath with my handy Dyson, and then started putting everything in its place. This one that I'm putting up right now, I actually got in Mexico years ago, and I found it in my parents' basement, so I was actually pretty happy to find that again. I was trying to make a home for everything. I had all my pens and pencils on my desk before, and I wanted to give myself more space and make it feel less cluttered. So this little contraption worked out nicely for that, and then I just started tidying up and getting everything put away.
Okay, welcome back, friends. So after I moved my room around, I got a nasty migraine and it lasted like 3 days, so I haven't recorded since then, and I still have to finish setting my space up, so I'm gonna do that today, putting my art into picture frames, finishing that, and then putting them up on the wall. and just getting everything into its place. And so yeah, let's get it done. Alright, so I'm gonna start pulling this stuff out again and get all the frames filled and get them up on the wall. That's my husband and that's my son. Alright, and then all of these. Okay, and then this is that's my son's artwork when he was 2. Okay, so this is everything I have. It's not aesthetic at all. It's just my art in frames. Let's see what's in here. What that don't do on this still. Anyways, we're not gonna work on that today. Steeped in creativity. Cute plants, little froggies. That one I actually did on a shirt. It's not finished here, but it was finished on the shirt. I love Earth. Okay, maybe I'll frame this one as like, this is like one of the first YouTube videos I posted for this year. So maybe I'll do this one. Or this one. I like this one. Okay, let's do this one. We'll frame this. I'm gonna take this out. Here we go, let's get this all sorted out. Let's do it a little bit more proper this time. Alright. Love this one. Holy shit. Love how that looks in there. That's so sick. I'm gonna put this one in a frame as well, I think. I like this work that I did. I think it's very pretty. I think I'm gonna put it in this plant one. Look, it's so fitting. Alright, let's go over here. And I'll switch camera around. Whoop. Pin. Okay, you can kind of see what's going on down here. Ooh, I'm really messing that up. Okay, I'm cutting this. I didn't realize I was actually cutting that. But, so I'm gonna use this frame. I think it'll fit. Maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe, I don't know. We'll see. We'll pull this up. Just barely, oh my goodness. Finally, I'm done. My little art space is complete. So yeah, that's my new setup for my little art space. And I hope you guys like this video, and if you do, then make sure to subscribe and ring the bell so you get notified every time I post a new video. New videos every week, and I'll see you in the next one.